Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shepsky AI token. Ticker symbol is SEKY. Now this token here is live for pre-sale. Their pre-sale just started November 18th and it says it goes all the way until March 17th. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. And they have a full audit, they have a white paper, web page, socials, all sorts of info here. It is listed on coinsniper.net if you're looking for it. We're going to go over the information on this pre-sale and on this token, talk about how you can get the token, and we're also going to have a look at the audit here to see if there's any red flags that we could see. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Shepsky AI token. That's where you could find their Twitter, which is going to be right in the corner of the screen here as usual. At Shepsky AI, it says your go-to app for real-time crypto queries, and it has a link to their Telegram there, which is also at Shepsky AI, and then their webpage, which is shepsky.ai. They just joined Twitter July 2024, 6,415 followers, 82 posts, blue verified checkmark. And if you head over to that web page there, that's where you can get involved with the pre-sale if you like there. So their pre-sale, it says 3 days, 13 hours, 4 minutes, 27 seconds until next price increase. It has a countdown. So far they've raised $21,930. Their goal for this phase is $350,000. Now you can connect your MetaMask wallet, your Trust wallet, any one of those wallets to the web page here, and you can purchase the token with ETH, USDT, or BNB. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, click Connect Wallet, punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Shepsky AI tokens you get for that amount. Then you click Purchase. When the pre-sale is done, you claim your tokens, and that's generally how this works. But there is a how to buy section right on their webpage too. If you get stuck or you don't understand how I just explained that, just follow the steps on the webpage. We're going to get to the audit here in a second, but let's talk about what this project is all about. So Shepsky AI began as a lighthearted meme concept, but has quickly evolved into a full-fledged utility token with real-world applications. Built on the foundation of AI and blockchain, Shepsky AI leverages advanced language model technology to deliver insights specifically tailored for investors, developers, and traders. Now, the platform aims to simplify access to reliable information on blockchain tokens, market trends, and Web3, creating a valuable resource within a user-friendly interface. Shepsky AI aims to simplify and enhance the way users engage with the crypto space. This includes providing quick access to market insights, predictions, and trends in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Now, the project's vision is to transform the meme coin landscape by delivering meaningful utility to the crypto community. Become a go-to AI-powered resource for reliable real-time crypto insights and analysis. Foster a strong, engaged community where users have a voice in the platform development. Also leverage AI to simplify cryptocurrency knowledge, making it accessible to both newcomers and experienced users. Their objectives is to build a robust AI platform develop a Shepsky AI into a comprehensive tool that answers crypto-related questions with accuracy and speed, establish a community-driven governance model, implement a DAO structure, allowing users to influence platform updates, features, and key decisions, ensure security and transparency, prioritize regular smart contract audits, and integrate secured technologies like Wallet Connect for user transactions, grow a loyal community, create an engagement through staking, voting mechanisms, and exclusive community rewards, and expand token utility. Move beyond meme coin status by offering real-world use cases such as staking rewards and token-based governance. Now, the Shepsky AI ecosystem is powered by a proprietary token that supports various features and services. The pre-sale period is set for 4 months, with vesting of over 24 months to maintain stability and long-term value. The total supply of the token is 20 billion tokens. Now, 20% of the tokens are allocated to marketing, 10% allocated to liquidity, 40% goes to the pre-sale, 15% to staking, and 15% to project funds. Now, Shepsky AI utilizes LLM, large language model technology, similar to OpenAI's GPT architecture. Now, this deep learning model is trained on vast amounts of data to understand and generate human-like text, making it ideal for answering complex questions about crypto markets and technology in real time. The integration with blockchain tech ensures that the information provided is up to date and relevant to the current market conditions. The project was designed with a community-centric approach, and there are plans to adopt a decentralized autonomous organization model. By staking the tokens, users will gain the right to vote on key decisions, creating a governance system that emphasizes inclusivity and transparency. Now let's get to the audit here. So they have an audit by Solid Proof. I found it on CoinSniper, but you could also find it on their webpage here. Now it says here that they have, if we scroll down, this token here is on the Ethereum network, it says. They have no critical issues found. It says contract owner cannot mint new tokens, cannot blacklist, cannot set high fees, cannot be contract cannot be locked, cannot burn, ownership is renounced. So all good stuff there. It says there is one informational issue though. So it says functions that are not used, dead code, informational issue, removed unused functions. So it has that there. So that has not been resolved yet. And then they also got a TrustNet score of only 60.3%. So that's not a very high score. So those two warnings there, you should take into account before even thinking about getting this token. No critical issues and all those things are checked off good, except for one informational issue and a low TrustNet score, very low. That's like if you were in school, that is almost a D. You got barely a C, right? So take that into account before thinking about getting this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.